Are you looking for the best router lift? In this video, we will break down the top 6 router lifts on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. KREG PRS 5000. This is the best overall router lift. It allows you to change your routing bits from above the table and complete control over all adjustments. Each rotation of the adjusting crank moves the carriage exactly 1/16 inch, so it's easy to return to previous settings. Also, it glides smoothly on a bearing-guided carriage, and it features 3 inches of travel, making it very versatile. It weighs only 1 pound and fits many popular routers. This router lift works perfectly. There's no more reaching under the table to make adjustments or change bits, plus vastly improved control over all adjustments, large or small. Instead, simply use the lift's included crank to adjust the height of your router bit easily and precisely from above the table. Moreover, this makes adjustments fast, simple, and accurate, so you can set up your router faster, and then dial in the exact bit height you require using the Precision Router Lift's built-in micro adjustment scale. At number 2. JessEm 02310. The double-sealed ball bearing construction of this unit helps smoothly raise and lower your motor with ease. All machined components on this lift are usually CNC machined, which gives you confidence that you are working with a sturdy router. Also, the tool has diameter motors compatible with Porter Cable 690-890, DW610/616/618, Bosch 1617-1618, or any other routers with 3.5 inches diameter motors. For strength and durability, the manufacturer uses aluminum to make the motors. Like all the router lifts, you press the shafts on this lift into a shaft mount with hydraulic pressure. Furthermore, the rods are fitted to the top plate and put in place with some screws spreading the lateral load so that you get a very rigid and durable mount to withstand the most challenging routing operations. At number 3. Woodpeckers PRL-V2420. This router lift features a spring-loaded mechanism that takes all the effort out of raising or lowering your motor, plus a thumb wheel that allows you to make minute height adjustments in seconds. Also, it fits the Porter Cable 7518 router. Augments basic router plate capabilities with a bulletproof lift mechanism and an impressive array of time-saving, precision-enhancing features that are accessible from the top of the plate. The thumb wheel micro adjuster allows quick and easy bit height adjustments with an easy reading scale built into the top. Additionally, a patented quick lift wrench allows you to bypass the micro adjustment mechanism and elevate the router collet so you can use your wrenches above the table. Overall, it is built to deliver years of trouble-free performance. At number 4. JessEm 02120. The lift has 5 double-sealed bearings, providing a lifetime of use even with the heaviest of routers. All of its lifts have the patented feature of adding tension to the threaded spindle to remove backlash, vibration, and preventing setting changes while routing. Also, a new dedicated locking mechanism for heavy-duty, long-term routing operations adds, accessible from the top of the top surface, and is engaged with the same crank handle used to raise and lower the lift. The lift fits most fixed-base routers on the market today without the use of an adapter collar. As well, the unique clamping blocks on the lift enable users to use different fixed-base routers with the lift as opposed to dedicating a router. Finally, by pressing the shafts into a larger diameter mount, you will be able to attach the shafts to the top plate and fasten in place with more than just one screw, spreading the lateral load and providing a very rigid and durable mount that will withstand the toughest routing operations. At number 5. SawStop RT-LFT. This LFT comes with an advanced lifting system with a full set of accessories. The adjustment mechanism of this product is ultra-responsive as it has an inbuilt chain synchronized design. Also, the dimension of this router lift is 9.25 by 11.75 inches, with the top side of the plate being 0.238 inches thick and has leveling screws as well. So, it's an ideal option to do elevation measurements and height adjustments. This table component of this lift model offers seamless performance in contrast to the other table models. However, the diameter of this router lift is 3.5, which is not supported by the Trident TRA-001 router model. Lastly, you will require a reducer collar to make adjustments in the clamp's diameter so that it fits the Porter Cable 7518 router model. At number 6. Incra Mast-R-Lift-II-R. This router lift features a very precise height adjusting system that uses a printed gauge that will tell you exactly how much distance the table moved. Also, a ball bearing mechanism uses 5 bearings to ensure smooth movement throughout the range of the tool. It has a 16 tooth per inch (TPI) lift screw mechanism for even more control over the table height. In addition, the Incra Magna lock reducing ring system magnetically snaps rings into place so you can change them instantly. And it includes 5 steel reducing rings for using different sized routers. However, there is a serious downside to using this router lift is that it only works with Rockler tables. Another issue with this model is that you can't zero in the height gauge.